We're here at the Expo with Dr. Lebrun, who's doing a study on how steam affects bread in the barrel. Doctor, can you tell us a little bit about the study?
Sure. The steam is introduced into the barrel with the barrel steam tool, and it has ports to release superheated steam at about 110 Celsius, which is much higher than regular boiling water. And after the steam is introduced, we steam, and the question that we're trying to address right now is what temperatures are achieved within the oak itself. We know that within the barrel, 110 degrees can be reached, but the insulation properties of wood are quite good. So we put temperature probes at different locations, at different depths into the wood to measure that, and found that 5 millimeters, where Brett can get actually 5 millimeters deep in the wood, we can get to about 80 degrees in about 5 minutes and hold that temperature for as long as you'd like. And so that's the initial phase, and next we're going to look at real Brett contaminated barrels in a series of studies in the coming months.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.